At first glance, you might assume that this YouTube channel is simply about regular football highlights. But here's the twist. It's actually not what you think. What they're doing is surprisingly simple. So simple that literally anyone can do it. Whether you've never kicked a football in your life or you're a teenager who doesn't really care much about the sport, you could still create videos just like this. Now, I need you to pay very close attention here, because this channel isn't just uploading random football highlights. Instead, it's focused on creating helpful, educational content for people who have an interest in football, whether they play casually with friends or compete at a more serious level. This approach shows us something important. Their content is designed to help improve skills, not just to entertain viewers. So, as you can see, they are not spending their time on traditional highlight reels. Instead, they are producing problem-solving videos that provide real value to football fans. And this type of content has massive potential, especially if you're targeting aspiring players or even passionate fans who want to improve their knowledge of the game. Now here's my favorite part. You don't have to be a professional football expert to make videos like this. In fact, ChatGPT can help you come up with ideas and even organize your content, as long as you know the right prompts to use. Let me walk you through an example so you can see just how incredibly easy this process can be. You ever watch a striker smash the ball into the top corner and think, why can't I do that? Well, I used to think the same. I thought shooting with power and accuracy was all about having massive leg muscles, or being born with some natural talent. But here's the truth. Scoring from anywhere is a skill you can build. And today, I'm giving you the complete shooting blueprint. From the moment the ball comes to your feet, to the exact moment the video you just watched was actually created by me, using the exact method I'm about to show you in this tutorial. So, let's get started step by step. Step 1. Opening ChatGPT. First, open your ChatGPT app. If you don't have it yet, go to your Play Store or Apple App Store on your device and download it. After signing in, look for the prompt input box on your screen. In that box, type the following prompt exactly. Based on the most popular videos on this YouTube channel, give me 10 YouTube video ideas using the exact title. Step 2. Analyzing a YouTube channel. Next, go to the YouTube channel you want to analyze. This can be any successful channel within your niche. Copy the URL of that channel. Then go back to the ChatGPT prompt box and paste the URL directly into the prompt, just like this. After that, click the submit button. Now, normally you would just sit back and let it process. But if something seems wrong or it's not giving results, don't panic. Here's an alternative method. Take a screenshot of the YouTube channel page. Then click on the camera icon in ChatGPT, search your gallery for that screenshot and upload it. Copy the same prompt from earlier and paste it underneath the screenshot. Then click submit again. ChatGPT will now review the channel's most popular videos and give you 10 YouTube video ideas that follow the exact high-performing title style. These ideas are modeled after what's already working. Step 3. Generating the script. Now, let's move to the next step, creating the script for your video. To do this, enter this prompt in the ChatGPT input box. Give me a script for a YouTube video with, insert your video title here. An AI will read the script, so write it in a first-person narration style. The script should be for a 10-minute video. Go back to the list of ideas you generated earlier and pick one. For this example, I chose the complete shooting blueprint, how to score from anywhere. Once you've entered your title, click submit. ChatGPT will now generate a full script, broken into sections, written in a natural first-person tone, perfect for voiceovers. Note, even though we're requesting a 10-minute script, ChatGPT usually produces about 8 minutes of material. That's fine. You can always add extra transitions or personal touches to make it longer. Once it's ready, scroll down and click the copy icon. Step 4. Editing the script for voiceover. Now let's prepare the script for voiceover. For this, we'll use an app called WPS Office. If you don't already have it, download it from the Play Store. Open WPS Office, sign up, and when the interface loads, click Document, then click the plus icon to create a blank page. Paste your script into the document and make any edits to ensure it reads smoothly. Save this document, you'll need it shortly. Step 5. Converting the script into audio. Next, we'll use a platform called SpeechmA. Open your Chrome browser, type SpeechmA in the search bar, and wait for it to load. Click on the correct link to open it. Go back to your WPS Office document and copy a portion of your script. Keep in mind, SpeechmA processes only 2,000 words at a time. Sign up for a free account. It's completely free. Paste your script. In this example, I copied 1,780 words. SpeechmA offers multiple voice characters. Play around to see which you like. For this tutorial, I'll use Brian. Check the security numbers and enter them into the box provided. Click Generate Audio and wait a few minutes. Once it's ready, play the preview, then click Download. You ever watch a striker smash the ball into the top corner and think, why can't I do that? Well, I used to think the same. I thought shooting... It will save automatically to your device. Go back to WPS Office, copy the next section of your script, repeat the process, and keep going until you've converted the entire script into audio files. For arranging your scenes, you can ask ChatGPT. Analyze the script and suggest the best videos to visually explain each scene. Step 6. Gathering video clips. Since the voiceover is ready, we now need footage. We'll use TikTok for this. Open TikTok, or download it if you don't have it. Search for outside the box goals. Since our topic is shooting blueprint, find clips that fit your script. If there's no download option, click the arrow icon, copy the link, then go to Chrome, search Save from Net, open the first result, paste the link, and download the clip. Repeat for as many clips as needed. Step 7. Editing in CapCut. Now open CapCut, click New Project, and add your videos to the timeline. Set the aspect ratio to 16:9. Zoom in slightly to make the clips fit the screen. Add your voiceovers. Click Add Audio, then Sound, and select the files you generated earlier. Search Brian if needed. For background visuals, click Background, Blur, first option. Lower the clip's volume so it doesn't overpower your voiceover. Generate captions. Click Auto Caption and wait. Adjust them so they fit the screen. Final step. Export and upload. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Export your video at 1080p resolution, then upload it to YouTube. Here's something important. I previously uploaded a video without following this process, and it got a copyright claim, meaning it stayed on YouTube but I couldn't monetize it. By following the steps I just showed you, your videos will have a much lower chance of being flagged, making monetization possible. And that's it. You don't need to be a football expert or a professional video editor. Just follow each step carefully and stay consistent. See you in the next video.